welcome to my channel Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha, and today I am so excited. We are going to do a sneak peek preview on what's in the FabFitFun box for the summer. Ooh. And before we get into all the fun, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That does help my channel to grow. And leave me a comment. Let me know where you're at in the world. I love hearing from my friends from Australia and the UK, Germany, and all over the world. I'm so excited you're watching my videos. So let's get into this. The Francesca Bikini and Body Hair Trimmer, $65. You know, I've never had one of these, and I've never had to have one of these, but as you grow into menopause and you get older, hair goes in the craziest places. And it's pretty heavy duty. This is a very heavy duty, well-made product. It's got a nice little bag that it goes with, and you can see it's very well made, very bougie, very heavy. It's a heavy one, and it's also high tech, so you can just, it's portable and it's wireless, so no batteries, just plug it in the wall and you're good to go. Pretty nice. Just so you know, there will not be a demonstration of this in an upcoming video. Yeah, no, not for me. Konjac Exfoliating Body Sponge, naturally micro antibacterial, $18. I love anything exfoliating, especially for my body. And it's a nice, cute little sponge. It's got two different sides on it. I'm imagining one is the softer side, one's the exfoliating side. Hard as a brick bat, but it gets soft. So there's no product in it. It's just the sponge itself, and it's supposed to be antibacterial. So we'll see how that goes. Linhart Tooth Whitening Gel with hydrogen peroxide, $28. This is expensive tooth whitening gel. I haven't used it yet because I just got the box. So I'm excited to love anything tooth whitening, and especially if it's easy. So they just follow the directions. It says to place a drop of whitener on top of your toothpaste. That's interesting. I've never heard of that before. On top of your toothpaste that's on the brush. So, but follow directions. And for optimal health and whitening with Linhart toothpaste, use with their silver, nano silver toothpaste. Do not exceed 3 uses per day and do not swallow. Well, that sort of goes without saying, you don't swallow your toothpaste. At least you don't mean to swallow your toothpaste. Our Spare Change Faux Opal Earrings. And I have them on. They're very cute, very nice for the summer. I thought when I put these, when I customized this one and chose this one, is that I wanted something for a cute summer kind of look that would look good with sundresses, and I just thought this would just go for it. Let me know what you think. I like them. NARS Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick in Voyeur, $32. And it comes with just such a bougie packaging, heavy duty packaging, and I'm wearing it today. I like it. It feels more like a balm than it really does a lipstick, you know, even though it covers like a lipstick. Oh gosh, it feels so good. I love NARS lipstick and their lip balms. Anything NARS I like. Very good. So nice. Let me know what you guys think. Thrive Cosmetics Waterproof Eyeliner in Lauren, a matte black, $24. I really like Thrive Cosmetics. They're very good. They're very high quality. The packaging is super nice. I haven't tried this one yet. Ooh. It's nice and dark. Yeah, I'll use this in an upcoming video. Ooh. Let's see. It comes back a little bit, but I haven't let it give it time to dry. So we'll give it time to dry. And total retail price on the FabFitFun summer box is $187. So Now, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, so you get it every 3 months, and it's based on seasons. So this is a summer box, so items that would be geared toward the summer, like the bikini shaver, lipstick, and so on, and the sponge to keep your skin looking glowy and beautiful. So these things are geared toward that, and it's fully customizable, so you get to choose what 6 items you want, which is amazing. So I hope you give it a try. There is a link in my description box, and please use my code and you get 20% off if you on your first box if you do by a quarterly payment. If you do an annual payment, then you get a free product. Pretty nice. So I hope this was helpful for you. I hope it was fun for you. I always love unboxings and seeing what a sneak peek we're going to get. So I want you to know that I care about you. I so love you. And I hope that you are living your best life, because I sure am. So I will see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week.